Do or die game, Sunday. Barangay Ginebra. Meralco Bolts. Right here, oh. May VIP ano tayo, bisita. May San Jordan and Jespel, right here. Coach Tim ko, no? Full force. Do or die. Ang talo, laglag. And the winner goes to the semi-final. Justin Brown yun. Justin Brown yun. Kabayan Justin. There we go. Okay ba? Okay ba? Okay ba pwesto natin? Sir, okay ba?
Good evening, and welcome to our second knockout match. It's time to meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First from your Barangay.
Yeah! Yeah! Barangay Ginebra! Yeah!
Number 25.
Let's do it, Barangay!
From Barangay Valley, number 1. Rosario. Also forward is Barangay Ginebra Imports. Number 22, Justin Brown. Edward from Hakata City, Pampanga. Number 14, Stephen Hall. And also forward from Davao del Sur. Number 9, Scotty Thompson. And coach of Barangay Ginebra is Tim Brown. And now let's meet the starting five of Yellow.
Oh! Oh!
Number 7, Flip Hall.
Bye-bye!
Number 19.
Mga preso! Mga preso! Mga preso!
At center is Ramos Import. Number 25, Abel Mitchell.
Oh, board side seat right here. Oh,
And also gone
board side seat na naman tayo.
number 11, Chris Cusa. And coach of the ball is Luigi Brilliant. Individuals are Peter Powell, Johnny Allen, Jeff Natai, and Kenny Hammond. This series of the Super Bridges regulation on the base of the week. We call the PBA Concussioners Cup quarterfinals and knockout.
Laglagan na to. Do or die. Whoever wins goes to the semis. Whoever loses, go home. There we go. First quarter.
Now number 7, Glenn Hodge. Is first down, one on the box. 14 was shot clock.
Kasi ano pala yun, no? Si Bayani Agbayani. Si Bayani Agbayani idol, oh. Kasi ano pangalan nun? Isa? Nakakalimutan ko yun. Bayani Agbayani, tsaka ano? Si Pogi, oh. Sino nakashoot? Sino nakashoot? Sino nakashoot? Puno. Wala. Patay na ako. Justin, patay na kain, oh. Patay, oh. Patay na, oh. Basta sayang. Foul.
He's going to try to turn the ball on Abel Mitchell.
Hindi na tayo kalapit ulit.
It's first down, 2.
Curtis of Kuya Richard.
14 was
Sam
shot.
Jordan. And Desper. Ayan. First quarter. Wala, oh.
number 32, Justin Bradley. His first foul,
Oh, angal pa oh. Angal pa oh. Ito talaga lawakan ng referee na to eh. Wala talaga to referee na to eh. Oh. Traveling. Traveling. Oh. Travel.
Offensive foul, number 25, Bill Mitchell. His second personal.
Mamaya na ulit. 3-0 Meralco. Ay, ano. 10-33. Mamaya na ulit. Oh. Okay guys, God bless.